Term is liability. Basically, liability refers to the amount which the firm owes to outsiders. These are obligations for the business. We are responsible to pay off our liabilities on time. So according to this flow chart, liabilities can be categorized into different parts: internal and external liabilities. Internal liability is a value or amount which a business entity has to pay to the proprietor or owner of the business only. For example, capital, profit, interest on capital, right? The wholly solely amounts are reversible to owner of the business. Second is external liability. External liability, the amounts which have to pay outside the business. For example, suppliers, banks, bank overdraft facility, or against any loan. So all that amount which you have to pay in future outside from the business, that is our external liability. Other categories are current liabilities and non-current liabilities. Current liabilities, as the name suggests, that liabilities which can be paid off within 1 year. That is current liabilities. It refers to those liabilities which are to be paid in near future, are short-term loans, are payment to creditors, are bills payables. All these liabilities we have to pay within 1 year. That is current liabilities. And on the other hand, non-current liabilities which can be paid off after 1 year, right? For example, long-term loans, debenture payments, right? All those liabilities which you have to pay after 1 year. That is non-current liability, and the liability which you have to pay within 1 year is known as current liabilities. In the same manner, we have another term, that is asset. Asset is anything which is owned by the owner or business, which is the property of the business, right? Asset is anything which will enable a business enterprise to get cash or a benefit in future. Any item through which owner can earn profit, owner can earn income, that is asset. Again, classification of assets, just like liabilities, current assets and non-current assets. Current assets, again same aspect, are those assets which can convert in cash within 1 year. Okay, all assets through which you can earn cash, assets which can be converted in cash within 1 year, are current assets. For example, stock, debtors, bills receivable, short-term investments. All those assets which can be converted in cash within 1 year will be known as current assets, Whereas assets which cannot convert in cash within 1 year will be known as non-current assets. For example, building, machinery, vehicles. We cannot sell these items frequently. We cannot convert our building, our machinery within cash within 1 year. That's why these assets are known as non-current assets. One more thing is there, fictitious assets. Fictitious assets are not like an asset. These are losses not written in 1 year in which they are incurred. Fictitious assets basically are expenses. They are losses which are not written off in 1 year, but we do write off these expenses or losses in more than 1 year. It may be 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. That's why it will be known as fictitious asset.